Hi, how are you doing? This is James Smith with piratefuel.net. Today what we're going to do is we're restoring our flagship car, which is 87 300D diesel Mercedes-Benz. So what we're going to do today is we're going to install a Hushpower Pro exhaust. So we're going to take a look at the exhaust when it's running and before, and we're going to take a look at it afterwards. First, let's go ahead and take a look at it before. Now we're going to start it up and see how it sounds beforehand. And yes, that's right. This runs off 100% vegetable oil. And that's how it sounds before. And now we'll go ahead and listen to it for a second, and then we'll take a look after it's done. Diesels are very popular here in Texas. This is part two. Now we have the Hushpower Pro totally installed. Now we're going to take a look at it and see the difference. First, we're going to take a look at the actual exhaust. The guys did a pretty good job. Not exactly what I wanted, but who can complain? It's not precisely where I wanted it to be sticking out of, but it doesn't look that bad. Now let's take a listen to it, and we can see the difference, or hear the difference. It has a little bit more of a mellow sound to it. Has a little bit more of a performance. And hopefully it'll do the job. Compared to the cost to a diesel or Mercedes-Benz muffler that cost $500, and then for the noise reducer, which is an additional $200, this costs $180. We're saving a lot of money. Once again, we installed a Hushpower Pro. This is James from piratefuel.net, and hopefully you'll come and see our next project. We're rebuilding a GMC V2500. It's a 6.2 liter diesel. And from all of us from Pirate Fuel, have a nice day.